Your windows could be costing you hundreds every month without you even knowing it. At HHI Windows Doors, we transform ordinary houses into dream homes. Whether you want to lower energy bills or bring in more natural light, replacing your windows can do it all. Our process is professional, personalized, and completely hassle-free. An in-home consultation, accurate measurements, and a detailed quote. Guidance to help you choose the perfect style and features. Professional installation with full cleanup, and a final inspection to ensure everything meets our high standards. Choose from a wide range of styles: double hung, casement, sliding, bay and bow, or picture windows, each designed to fit your home's unique aesthetic and practical needs. New windows mean better energy efficiency, improved home security, less outside noise, higher property value, more natural light and airflow, and easier maintenance. Our process is simple, professional, and stress-free. It starts with an in-home consultation, followed by precise measurements and a clear, detailed quote. Then we'll guide you in choosing the perfect style, features, and energy-saving options. Modern windows aren't just about looks. They're built for comfort, savings, and peace of mind. At HHI Windows Doors, you get certified installers, premium products, and solutions tailored to your home. Plus, with affordable pricing and financing options, upgrading your windows has never been easier. We stand out with certified installers, top-quality products, and energy-saving options. We offer custom designs to match your style, affordable pricing, and flexible financing. And most importantly, we treat your home like it's our own. New windows mean a better home, lower bills, and greater peace of mind. Let's bring your vision to life with HHI Windows Doors. Call HHI Windows Doors.